Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Datadog and automate alert explanations with AI, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Datadog website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. Fill out the sign-up form with your email address and desired password. After completing the form, check your email for a verification message from Datadog. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once verified, log into your Datadog dashboard using your credentials. On the dashboard, locate the Integrations tab on the sidebar. Browse or search for the integrations relevant to your needs, such as AWS, Azure, or Docker. Select an integration and follow the provided instructions to install it. Next, focus on setting up your alerts. Navigate to the Monitors section in the sidebar. Click on Create Monitor to start configuring an alert. Choose the type of monitor you wish to create, such as a metric, log, or event monitor. Fill in the required fields, including the metrics you want to monitor and the thresholds for alerts. Once configured, scroll down to the Notify Your Team section. Here you can specify how you want to receive alerts, such as via email, Slack, or webhooks. Proceed to save your monitor. Now, let's integrate artificial intelligence for automated alert explanations. Visit the Datadog marketplace to explore AI-based integration options. Select an AI tool suitable for enhancing your alerts, such as OpenAI or similar platforms. Follow the integration instructions specific to the AI tool you've chosen. Configure the AI tool to parse your alerts and generate explanations. Test the integration by triggering an alert to see if the AI provides a relevant explanation. Once confirmed, fine-tune the AI settings based on your preferences for clarity and detail. Make sure to review your alerts and AI explanations regularly for accuracy. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and set up Datadog while automating alert explanations with AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.